Country development depends widely on the construction of basic public utilities, which results in a tremendous exhaustion of natural resources, along with the unavoidable increase in costs. Thus, seeking out inexpensive, time-saving, and top-quality standard replacement materials which do not destroy natural resources has become very necessary for the construction industry. But who can do it and how? It is from this concept that Renolit products have been developed. Polymer, developed by German chemists, is most responsive to the idea of attaining a high standard of construction work at the best price. How can Renolit help us? In the past, asphalt or concrete road construction used crushed stone and sand, transported from other locations for hard surfacing. As well, concrete must be left to dry for a certain time before use. These processes are all time-consuming. But now, simply use Renolit. First, grade the road surface and eliminate all easily decayable waste that can block your work. Second, mix Portland cement with soil on site at the work area. Third, mix Renolit and water according to the given ratio and remix them well once again. Fourth, compact the newly made concrete road surface with a road roller to obtain a sufficient density level. Wait for a few hours. Then the new road base is finished and ready for use, or any further work required. The primary benefits of Renolit are that it saves a lot of your time, and especially it saves your construction costs greatly. In addition, the use of Renolit reduces complicated conventional construction procedures from 3 steps to only 1. And you save material costs, which in the past included crushed stones, laterite, sand, or soil brought in from another location. There are material expenses, but with Renolit, you can use soil excavated from the site as the raw material, saving much budget. To show you a clear picture of how much Renolit can help you, here is a graph. You can see that making a 20-centimeter thick road with the use of Renolit can readily save costs by almost 50% of the traditional construction method. What is Renolit? Using it can provide a high standard of work. Renolit is a chemical with polymer latex and cellulose as the main components. The polymer mixed in Renolit has similar properties to those of glue, providing more cohesiveness of the cement and soil or other materials, such as crushed stones, crushed rock, or sand. And it creates a strong bind between the cement and the soil. After being compacted, the soil will be hardened as much as general concrete. And it may even be hard enough to serve as a replacement. To demonstrate the high quality of Renolit, we have made a conceptual picture of the weight-carrying capacity of the road, which uses cement, and Renolit. The test shows that the road using Renolit can bear weights very close to a road made with concrete. Apart from the two excellent properties of strengthening soil structure and increasing weight sustainability, Renolit has waterproof properties as well. So, it can be used in many kinds of projects, including roadwork, railways, airport runways, parking areas, outdoor stadiums, ground or footpaths, irrigation work, water location development, such as retaining walls along rivers, canals, or seashores, and water storage or prevention of soil erosion. You can readily understand why Renolit products are accepted in so many countries around the world. Is Renolit as a chemical harmful to soil? Renolit is a non-toxic chemical, so it is not harmful to soil. When using it, we can still plant trees and landscaping and even store water safely. Use of Renolit is safe for the environment. As you do not need crushed stone obtained from mountain quarrying. With all of these properties of quality, we are confident that Renolit is a product to help your construction project be the best, with less investment, in less time, and without hazard to the environment. Renolit products, products of the future. Have you tried Renolit?